Okay.
是吧？这巴黎的哦，我的我们一起买的。我记得。
So now what are you doing now?
I'm making St. Louis style pizza.
都是钱好。
Are you live streaming me?
It's not like me, but I'm taking a video.
I'm shooting too. I'll send it to you afterwards.
Okay, so I can explain what St. Louis style pizza is and why it's special. So it's very thin crust. It's like cracker crust pizza. It's supposed to be like street pizza. So it's very thin. It's crispy, like cracker, and it has like a very sweet, like a sweet marinara sauce on it. It's very like pureed. It's very fine. And then on top of it, you have Provel cheese, which is a St. Louis cheese, which is a combination of a bunch of other cheeses that you have to basically like mix together to make it taste like Provel. Because New York, there's not Provel. If you go to St. Louis, you can literally just go to any supermarket and just buy Provel cheese, right? But you can't do that in New York, so you have to buy a bunch of other cheeses and then combine them together in the right quantity, and then add some other shit and make the right cheese. And then after you make the cheese, you put toppings on it, right? Less toppings is usually better though, because it's very thin crust. So if you put too many toppings on it, then you get soggy bottoms, and you don't want soggy bottoms, right? So that's it.
I think you open a YouTube channel.
That's gonna go viral. I'm excited to be in a viral video in the sound.
Yeah, you can talk more about your pizza. You are all shit. Something like that. Then we go.
Yeah, that'll get a lot of views. That'll get a lot of
You
views.
can call up your friends at the World Journal, and they can post up your old friends at the World Journal, and they can.
直接
What's that? Oh.
这个是鸡堡。
高级啦，高级。
对。天哪，他直接把这个刨出来，他可能觉得你看这个刨。
It takes a lot of strength actually to roll this out because it's like really thin.
好，我们把food看出来就一起吃，savage style。哦，还有茶叶蛋呢。
I guess the real chefs, they probably like do the thing to it, but I don't know how to do that. I'm not coordinated enough, so I do it with the rolling pin.
Yeah, we with the don't do that.
But this is good enough, right?
对，永泰，永泰什么？
没事，我浪费什么？不是我们，他高低了。我附近也有位置卖这个，不是一样的位置啊？你是哪里定的？我可能知道。
它是永泰。
对，我听说是我那位置旁边有个位置卖包子。
Oh, let's see.
我们
Let's
这
see
个
that.
都是点外卖。
你应该去试试那边
哦，一起加。
啊，可以啊。
The bag is all
原来是送你的。
So you want to just stretch all the way to the edge. Like that. And then you take a knife. It's a bread knife.
Why you need the knife?
Because you want to make it round.
Oh.
See, I'm going to cut off the little bits. And then,
now the good stuff comes.
Oh, so you made the sauce yourself?
yes.
Wow.
Just roll it from
What's
a mile
inside?
away.
What?
What's in the sauce?
Well, there's a lot of tomatoes. There's tomato paste. There's a lot of tomatoes. It's like half cooked because you want to cook most of it in the oven with the pizza. So it's like half cooked sauce. And there's also sugar because you want the sauce to be sweet because that's part of the St. Louis style. There's basil. There's also a bunch of thyme, but I did not have time to pull the thyme off the branches, so there's not much thyme in the pizza, if that makes sense.
We have angles. We got 3 angles.
Wow, we have a lot of angles. This is great. You can make like a VR video now because you can get it in 3D.
Yeah.
POV.
Okay, so what should we put on the first one? Anchovies?
Oh.
Artichokes, one or both? What should we do?
Both.
We should do both.
Is
You
it
the
kind
boss,
of like
man.
a quiz or something?
You're the boss, man. You
I feel like
decide.
you're the expert on what might be good with those pizza.
Thin crust.
Scissors. So here's the anchovies. You want to take the anchovies and you cut them up like this. Because you want them small, you know? You don't want them like huge in the pizza.
What's this?
What's this? Anchovies.
可以装2碗，其实
Little fish.
让大家都尝尝。
Now we have a little bit cut up.
So why does St. Louis have this unique style of pizza?
Because St. Louis is fucking awesome.
I was gonna say that. I was just gonna say it because St. Louis is awesome. That's the
Oh yeah, for sure.
that's the go-to
Little Rock,
answer.
which is the worst city in the Midwest. So I give St. Louis its
Little Rock,
respect.
interesting. Okay. Yeah, St. Louis is a cool city. I have not been to Little Rock. I've been.
There's some things to like.
I went on a float trip once in Arkansas.
All right, this is all going to the video, by the way, Henry.
At least you pronounced it right.
So, oh, there's also cheese. Oh wait, ours.
Oh, what type of cheese do you use?
Oh, it's the Provel. I explained it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's cheese.
Artichoke. Oh yeah, that's the cheese.
Wow.
It has some other ingredients in it to make it more flavorful. It's Provel. These are bloody hearts of artichoke.
Thank you so much. This, I mean, it takes a lot of efforts, right? Appreciate it. It looks so good.
有吗？这里？
哇，好多笔。
Okay, that's the artichoke. Now,
还有2个泰式奶茶，谁要？
我要。
So what's this?
我真的忘了在尝试。
this is Provel cheese.
是新奇的吗？
It's like a combination of a bunch of different cheeses.
但是我记得还有3。
It's fun having this like island kitchen, you know? Even though this kitchen is like from the 1970s, at least they put an island in it.
It's a lot of space.
It's a lot of space, you know?
是吧？我记得那2个是一起的。
This is my favorite part of Mid-Autumn Festival tradition is where you get a St. Louis pizza made for you.
对对对对。
It's in all the ancient
That's,
stories.
yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
这个好像也是鸭，哦，它可能就担心不够。
Yeah, it's very traditional, you know?
Yeah. I mean, it looks like a moon, right? I mean, so
It's very raw, yes,
Yeah.
it's very raw.
yeah.
Let's go to St. Louis mooncake.
So this is the first pizza.
是有点拌面哇。
Awesome.
You put the oven kind of hot, like 415, pretty hot.
明白了。
Nice.
So that's the first pizza.
And how long does it take?
It's unclear. Because
Okay.
until it's done.
Okay.
Probably 10 or 15 minutes.
All right.
Per pie, I would guess.
能量。